I've got some Ipsy add-ons, so if you want to see my second Mega Drop haul, it's a mini one, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's still at school. Dexter's coming in and out. Bandit's coming in and out. You might catch one of them. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, subscription boxes, Dollar Tree hauls, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so Ipsy holds, I think, I don't know, 3 or 4 of these Mega Drop shop events per year. It's a good time to either try something new or stock up on some of your favorites. And I also got one of their mystery bags. Cherry on top, it was the smaller one. All right, so what did I get? Again, this is a small one. I got the Purely's Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm. Now, I have been using this and absolutely am just so impressed with it. Purely's is a nice brand. It's not overly expensive, but then getting it at about half price or more in the Mega Drop shop is just best way to get it. It is a balm and it smells so much like pumpkin. It's a not as sweet, but more of those spices that you would find in pumpkin pie spice. So like the allspice and the cinnamon and the clove and the cardamom. So I absolutely love mine. It has a little scoop inside of it and I am obsessed with it. So when I saw that they had it, I grabbed another one. Here is the one I've been using, and you got the little spatula on the top there. You can see this is well used. I just love smelling it. But it's tear free. I have no issues with tears with this. Okay, next from Biro is their Sugar Plum Lip Oil, and this is super sparkly. I have one. I couldn't find it. Could be at work. I'm not really sure. But it does have a nice sparkle to it, as well as it locks in moisture. So I'm not going to swatch this one because this could end up with one of you. From Naked Sundays, I got the Cabana Glow Mineral Glow Drops Illuminating. This is an SPF 50. That's right, I'm getting ready for the spring. Want to get some more SPF on the skin. Something greater than 30 as we head in. Okay, a lot more came out than I wanted. All right, so gorgeous glow right there. Next from What's Up Beauty is their Serengeti Highlight. And I just thought that was so nice. I mean, I don't even care about using it. It's just gorgeous. I mean, I'm probably going to use it, but I'm just saying, like, it's gorgeous. And then my last add-on before I get to the bag is the Thrive Cosmetics Bright Eye Brightener. This is in Alin, and it is a lilac shimmer. Now in here is your sharpener. I think it's in there. I know there's a sharpener in here. So you're going to put that right in the tear duct and it's going to brighten your eye up. Yep. And there's your sharpener. All right, so let's get on to the mystery bag. I may have a different version than is out now. They do sometimes slightly change it up. So you might get a little something different than what you see other people getting. I might have a little something different than you might have seen already on there from some of the brave soldiers who got one beforehand. here is the bag with these cute little cherries. And then the interior, nicely lined, padded, got the little Ipsy tag. Then we have from Mo Beauty, we have this, it looks like it's an liquid metallic eyeshadow in the color Glazed, and this is a mini, so it's a little bit smaller than the full size. From Misho, we have a Sheer Glow Primer. This is 10 milliliters. From Tatcha, we have their Matcha Cleanse. So great facial cleanser. Also, oh, the size on that is 20 milliliters. Also from Tatcha, we have their Dewy Skin Cream. This is 10 milliliters. And then from Bliss, we have some Cool With It Cooling Eye Gel Masks with collagen. 2 packs, 2 patches each, so 2 treatments. And this is going to deflate puffiness, leaving you feeling refreshed and looking wide awake. You're going to keep it on for 10 minutes. Once opened, use it within 1 to 2 hours. All right, so that is that mystery bag. I forgot to look up the name. I feel like it's Cherry on Top or something like that, but it'll be in the description. But super cute bag. I actually got it for the bag. But I do have a pretty big 1.5K subscriber give back going on. If you want to check that out, there's a playlist attached. All of the rules are in the Ipsy Mega Drop Shop video that's before this one that has the black and yellow thumbnail and kind of like a pop art kind of style. And you may see some things from here in there. So check them all out. I don't know. I'm going to randomly choose videos from that particular playlist. So you got to watch them all. You got to comment on them all. All the rules will be in that one particular video. If I remember, I'll put them in here too. Okay, I had to go break up a fight between Dexter and Bandit. So Bandit had Dexter cornered by the litter box. He was quite scared. I had to give him a treat for it. He's got a little PTSD now. Okay, I don't even know where I left off, but I know I was talking about the rules for the give back and how I will be randomly selecting videos to pull semifinalists from and then pull one winner from those semifinalists. So it could be you. Check them out. Make sure you're commenting. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. It also helps our channel grow, and we're not monetized yet. I've got, I don't know how many videos, and we are still just hovering around that 3,000 hours mark. So trying to bump that up a little bit, get a little monetized from YouTube so that they can help me pay for this stuff so we can bring more stuff on board. All right, well, thank you so much. And as always, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.